buy price chart has come to exact point of interest right at this very area. Markets now have capability of moving from here all the way to the upside. I will discuss this in detail. And if you come to this very chart on visual protocol, market has moved significantly all the way to the upside. Look at it here. We have a very parabolic chart all the way from this very point to the upside. If you come to coin bubbles and you look at 1 day, it is called visual protocol have done 6%. But if you look at the 1 week chart, you see that this very coin have done 96% all the way to the upside. That is very significant. This very token have more capability of pumping all the way to the upside in the next coming weeks, and this is super important. And if you look at the Bitcoin price action, market is pumping right now at this very point. Remember, we are still in this very position. We collected half profit and moved our SL to $95,300 level, and this position is still very open on this very Telegram channel that we are in. So all of this and many more in this very video. Pay attention and watch the video all the way to the very end. First off, on the buy price action, if you look at it very well, you discover that this was the level of interest that I marked out in my immediate last video. And why point of interest is important in the market is that it helps you know if market come to that very point or spike out of that very point, there is high capacity of the market moving forward. And this point of interest sometimes can be very confusing to mark out if you don't know what it is. And that is the reason why I mark out this very area. And as at that time yesterday, market was within this very region right here. And I said market have capability of coming back into this very area, and the market is going to move upward if market come right here. And what I want to see right now on the buy price action is for the market to have significant volume. That means if we have significant bullish volume within this very area, markets now have capability of moving all the way to this very point, and that is what I will be closely monitoring on this very price action. However, even though we see that significant volume in the market and market move into this very area, I will not take any position, and I've made mention of that very fact in my immediate last video. And this is quite important. Why? Because I want to see market break this very structure right here. This market have to go above this before I can consider for a buy on the BTCUSDT 4-hour chart. Because if you take a buy after market move into this very area, then there is a possibility that buyers are now much in the market, and market now have capability of moving all the way to the upside, and that is what I want to wait for. I want to see more buy volume come into the buy price action. As we are seeing right now, there is a lot more bear pressure than buy volume, and this is what we must have to pay attention to right now on the BTCUSDT 4-hour chart. So expect market to from here move upward, but I'm not going to take a trade even though market move from here all the way to this very area right at this very point. And coming to visual USDT 1-day chart, if you look at this very price action, history don't lie. Look at it right here. Market breakout. This was a complete divergence on this very price action. Market moved all the way from here, and market was coming all the way to the upside, and this was a bullish divergence. Look at it right at this very point. Market was coming all the way to the downside, and what we see right here was a breakout of this very point after this very bullish divergence. And what this means is that market have capacity to pump all the way to the upside, and that is the exact same thing we see after this very breakout. At this very point, market move upward. So what next? Will this market still move all the way to the upside? I believe visual have more capacity to pump all the way to the upside, even hitting the previous all-time high at this very point. If you notice, the previous all-time high was at this very area of $5. So markets still have capacity of moving all the way to the upside, even though we see significant gain in the past few days. So right now, what you need to do if you want to consider investing in visual is to dollar cost average your position. What that means is you can buy right now with 25%. If market drop back down, you buy again. Market drop back down, you buy again. Okay, 25% as market come back to the downside for retracement, because I believe market has moved significantly and retracement is very, very important on this very price action. And the levels you should expect market to retrace to on this very price action is this very area of interest. Let me mark it out for you right now so that you pay attention to this very level. The first area is this very area. This is a very tiny point of interest. A lot of person will not pay attention to this, but please pay attention to this. It's very important. If retracement comes in, and the next point of interest right here is this very order block area right at this very point. What that means is market have capability of retracing back to the downside, and that retracement have to come into this very area before the next move upward, or retracement come back down into this very area before the next move upward on visual protocol. And I am on the 1-day chart, but on the long term, let's say 3 months, 6 months, visual have more capacity of moving all the way to the upside and beat its all-time high of $5 in the next coming month. And this is what we must have to pay attention to, even though I am expecting retracement to come in right now before the next move all the way to the upside on visual. And as we know, Bitcoin is pumping right now all the way to the upside, and we are still in this very position. However, we've taken half profit right here, and our stop loss is at 95,300 at this very point, which is very important. If you want to receive update like this, join this Telegram channel, link in the description of this very video, and also in the pinned comment. Join right now. It is a free channel. And if you come to the Bitcoin price action, remember market is breaking out of this very bull flag. Okay, so this is a bull flag. You see market move from here to this very point right here, and then we see this very bull flag around this very area. So if we mark this bull flag out, it is covered that market have capacity of moving all the way to the upside if we see a breakout with this candle forming right now. So a bull flag right here, and if this breakout succeed as we are seeing right now, that means if this very candle right here close bullish, that means market now have capability of moving upward, and the target is going to be this length from here all the way to this very point. That means market have capacity of hitting the $100K level. This is what I am personally looking at. You may be looking at something very different on your price action. Remember, I am on the 4-hour chart right here, BTCUSDT, and this is very important. So you may likely consider this into what you are looking at on your price action, and better be in the right direction of the market. In fact, when we took this very trade around this very area, a lot of persons did not take that position because they thought market is going to come back down because of the bearish divergence that was on this very price action. However, that bearish divergence have not been confirmed. That is why we took that very position on the Telegram channel within this very area after this very rejection, because I was looking at market breaking out of this very level of important resistance that we see right here in the past. So this is what you must have to pay attention to right now moving forward, especially on the 4-hour chart. If we see this very bullish candle forming right now, close bullish, that means market have capability of moving all the way to $100K. And as we know, this is already weekend, and market does not really move much on weekend. And that is why I am also very skeptical about the market hitting this very $100K level this very weekend, even though we see this very breakout and this candle turn bullish and market begin to move upward. Market may not just hit the 100K mark, because this is weekend. The possibility is there, but that is very, very small. So what I am looking at is market moving into $99 and $98,500 level right here, and this is what I am personally expecting in the market right now, especially on this very price action BTCUSDT 4-hour chart. And if you look at the 1-day chart, like I always say, market looks very, very bullish on the 1-day chart, and market have capability of moving all the way to the upside on the 1-day chart right here. As you know, we were looking at this very bullish divergence right here, and immediately after that breakout, I have taken a very long-term position on Bitcoin and Pepe, And this is super important because market have capability of moving all the way to the upside, and that is why I took those positions. And that is in line with the trade I am giving right here on the Telegram channel, because market is still very, very bullish all the way to the upside, and that is what you must have to pay attention to. Market is very bullish on the price action, especially on Bitcoin. Market have capacity of moving all the way to the upside if this market close bullish. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe if you have not, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. Join our Telegram channel, the link in the description of this very video, and also in the pinned comment for more crypto updates, news, and on-chain data. Join right now. It is a free channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.